Alright, so what's up folks, it's me Techno Expert and today I'm back with another video. So I'm just started filming, so I've already filmed this for about 5 to 6 times. So it's just getting I every time I make some kind of mistake. So in today's video we're gonna cover how to make your Discord bot online and make it send messages. So in my previous video I've already covered out how to make a Discord bot and add it to your server. So if you haven't watched that video already, then you can watch it. The link will be given in the description. So in order to make your bot online and make it send messages, first of all you need to go to replit.com. So that's the website URL. Okay, wait a while, I need to do something here. Let me just pause the video. Alright, so just as I said, just go to replit.com. You can log in or sign up if you haven't yet. So after creating an account, you need to go to create and select node.js, and you can just name it anything you want. So bot tutorial, be a nice name. You can just choose your own name. You know, nothing wrong with that. So as soon as the REPL is created, first of all you need to go to packages and install a package named Express. Wait for it. So select first one and make sure not to make any typos, because if you install the wrong package, then the code won't work, of course. So since this is coding, you just have to be extra careful. Wait. Yeah. So this has been installed. So after installing, you need to secondly search for discord.js and click on install package. Wait for a while. So during this, here's a code, or here's a command. Let's say the command is given in the description. You need to just copy this command, and after this package is installed, discord.js is installed, you need to go to shell and paste it by right clicking and clicking on paste, because the shortcut key won't work here. So after pasting, you need to click on enter. So wait for a while. It can take a while. Yeah, so this thing we've done. So now after found zero vulnerabilities, so after installing that, I'm going to go to package.json, and here in the sixth line at the last you need to add one comma and hit on enter. And now you need to put a double comma and write start. So this will also be given in the description, don't worry. So here it is, it will be given in the description. Start and put an hyphen or colon, what we call it, I don't know. And here you need to type node space dot. So that's what you need to type, and that's enough. And after doing that, you need to add a file and name it as replit and select this. Go to replit and you need to paste a short code run equals double bracket npm start. To make sure you don't make any typos, just be careful, because even a single typo can make errors. So now you need to return to index.js, and I'll give you a code in the description. So this is a long code that you need to paste in index.js. Not that long, but still in comparison it is longer. So if you feel like coding, then you can just simply code it, or else you can just paste it. So I'm just pasting it for now to save time. So here we go. Client login procedure in a token. So we need to keep a value of token. For that, go to secrets, and in the key you need to type token, and in the value just go to Discord development portal. So the URL is discord.com/developers. Select your bot application, go to bot and click on copy. So after clicking on copy, here in the token, in the value you need to paste, the token, So I'm just pause the video and paste it because I don't want to reveal my token. So after pasting the token here, you need to click on add new secret. Okay, so I just pasted my token here in the value and clicked on add new secret. So this is the environment secret. So now we are all good to go. All we need to do is click on run, and now the bot should start. Okay, so here we go. Our bot has started, and now you can see our bot is online as well. So this I done a little while ago. So let's test again. So let's try typing site, and it will reply okay. And you can also add a second thing if you want. And you can just edit the internal part. Hello, voila. So after editing, you need to click on stop and click on run again. Yeah, so the bot started again. Let's try another also. The bot replied hola. So this is just the basics. There's a lot other things we can do with our bot. So maybe I'll make a third video on that. Now to make this active forever, this dies. It gets idle after 15 minutes. So in a while your bot will again get online, offline. I mean, so in order to make it online forever, go to uptimerobot.com. So here's the URL uptimerobot.com and click on add a new monitor. So these are all of my other previous bots. Monitor type, select HTTPS. Name you can just put it anything. Bot tutorial I'm gonna put that, and URL or IP you just need to go to your repo and copy this, and after copying on this you need to paste this, and other all good. So now we are good to know. Go now, click on create monitor and again click on create monitor. So loading. Okay, so we are done. That's all that we need to make our bot online. So rest of the things I'll be covering on my third video. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye. Peace.